The most important thing about buying a lightweight adventure bike is that you don't want to be laden in it.
Photo adventures is on the road.
The most important thing about buying a beautiful, lightweight adventure bike like the Tuareg 660 is you don't want to be weighing it down with all kinds of heavy tools. Why would you want to carry this to remove your rear axle when you could just carry this? And the reason I say that sounds a little facetious, but I'm being completely honest. The Aprilia Tuareg comes from the factory with a tiny little 26mm rear axle bolt. It's an odd size. It's not very commonly supported among other tool manufacturers like Motion Pro. Everybody knows makes these famous little tire spoons so you can change your tire, and they incorporate a fantastic little feature where your rear axle wrench is built right into the tire spoons. They don't make a 26mm. Why would you want to carry a 26mm socket with a long wrench attached to it when you could just carry one of these lightweight aluminum tire spoons and have the correct size for your bolt? Another thing that you'll notice about the OEM bolt is that it's very narrow, it's very small, so there's not a lot of room for your wrench to grab it, and thus it's very easy to strip. We have another option, you guys. This is the titanium replacement bolt from Pro Bolt. Highly recommended. You can pick this up from AF1 Racing. Fantastic place to get all of your parts and pieces for the Tuareg 660, by the way. Again, it's a titanium bolt, so it's lighter. It's a 27mm size, so it fits all the standard tools. And it comes with some anti-seize compound. So we're going to switch this out today, and I highly recommend that you do the same. Actually, when you're as strong as I am, you don't even need a socket. The other thing I don't like about the OEM bolt is once it is mounted, it's actually recessed, leaving some of your threads exposed. If you bash up against a rock while you're out in the middle of the wilderness and jam some of those threads together, good luck getting that bolt off. With the Pro Bolt, as you can see, it's got a much higher profile, so it's going to cover those threads. Just going to put a little bit of anti-seize compound on here first. Replace the bolt. Grab my Motion Pro tool. This is the 08-0288 27mm. That is if you're a weenie boy and actually need a wrench. Yeah, that feels like it's about 88.5 Newton meters of torque, which is the correct specs for this particular bolt. Unless you want to get a torque wrench, of course. Well, if you are the man of steel, this tutorial may not work for you because it is titanium. But if you're anybody else, highly recommend this little upgrade, the titanium Pro Bolt part number TN-TIN-UT20150003. If you have any questions, just ask. Jason and I moderate every single comment in all of our videos. We're happy to help any way we can. Please give us a like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to check your nuts. And I will see you in the next video.